Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Today. Today we are going to talk about the Unacademy app. Is it good for you? If you are new to any of the competitive exams, so for the online option, is Unacademy good? I'm going to tell you everything about Unacademy. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe it. Let's move on to the Unacademy app. Let's start. First, you can go to Play Store and can download the Unacademy app. This is the learning app. Educators app is different. So you have to go for Unacademy learning app. From here you can install the new app and it is being updated. And now as already I have installed, so I will open it directly. So here we have the Unacademy app. Now I wanted to tell you that how you can see and browse the things in the Unacademy app. Here you will find topic wise coverage of each and every topic, like in polity, governance and IR, history, current affairs, here geography, optional courses, economy, science and technology. You will get all the kinds of subjects here, the topics which are covered separately, and down here you will get the educators. At the top is Sudarshan Gurjar sir, Mrunal Patel sir, as you all know how much good he is in his economics. Then Dr. Siddharth Arora sir, Mudit Gupta sir, Ayush Sanghi sir. Ayush Sanghi sir, very well known and a very good teacher for economics. And Anuj Garg sir, and many other teachers which I'll be talking about very soon. And upcoming courses which are not being started but they are going to start. You can see here, this is the course on Indian polity, starts on September 9 and the time and the lessons are being given. And now हम देखते हैं recently started courses. I would surely recommend for geography that Mohammad Rizwan Ahmed sir is the best one. Even for the optional one, he had a great courses. Now we can go for the, means there are dimensions, different dimensions, popular courses, crash courses, and we can also subscribe. We can get the subscription of different teachers only when we have the plus subscription. So we have to give a certain amount which I will be showing you at the very last. At last I would be sharing you how to subscribe and from where you have to subscribe, how much amount you have to pay, and which code you can use so that you can get a 10% discount, very rightly. And now we are going to see about different subjects, and let's start with the current affairs, which is really important. As you all know how much UPSC CSE covers about 50 to 60% of our current affairs being covered in the exam. So here are the courses, like the course of Aman Sharma sir. It's been a daily current affairs course. Daily he is available at 1 p.m. And daily he gives his special classes. And one more I want to tell you, if Ayush Sanghi sir is also giving his special classes, like you can go here wise. I'll show you. You can directly go to the teacher's name. Like Mrunal Patel sir is good for economics. If you are from a Hindi background, then you can surely go for Mrunal Patel sir, even for the English. But for the Hindi, if you are particularly focused कि तुम्हें हिंदी में जाना है, तो Mrunal sir is very good for economics. Otherwise, if you want a second option, Ayush Sanghi sir is very good for economics. And I wanted to share with you his total page, in which is as soon you open an educators page, you will find here the different batches, as you can see, in which he is present. Ongoing courses, his upcoming courses are being there, like course on economics through MCQs, courses on Indian society and social. He also covers society and social culture. He also covers IR, but I think the best part, which is economy. So the second thing, see here Sanghi's MCQ digest. Daily he gives his uh, current affairs with giving options. I would like to share with you how he gives his lectures. We can just tap on it and we will go through that how he's teaching. Here there is a screen display at the very right side of the screen, and here you can see sir, and he would discuss the things. And here is the chat box, you can comment and go for the live class. Let me just go for
population associated issues, developmental issues. इस चीज के लिए ये जरूरी है, right? You have to learn why, you have to understand why is it important for this area.
why you might be thinking, why would I be suggesting you to go for Ayush Sanghi sir class? Because even Ayush Sanghi class or any of the current affairs teachers, they mostly use the things of like questioning. First they question like this, which organ of the body is affected by silicosis. So here with the answers, lungs. So first they will give you the objectives and then they will explain you about it. Like here he has done that, he has first given the options, then he will give the detailed analysis of what we have to do. Like I'm going to just taking a 10 seconds increasing.
बड़ा मजा आएगा in-depth articles पढ़ने में आज.
See, in-depth
Empower the youth first.
So all of them are really great. Now let's just skip it and go further for other classes. So free courses are also available if you want to try like to have a sample that how he teaches. You can just go for the free courses. So here there are the free courses from his side, and these are the plus ones. So you can only access the plus one other when you have the plus subscription. Now I want you to take to the test series. Here at the bottom you can see there is home, what you do, the enrollments you have. These are my enrollments. You can go for any of the enrollments which you want. Then here are the downloads which I have. You can download it and watch it later. Watch history, whatever I have learned from many days, day wise, section wise, they all give you this great idea. Then about syllabus, this is the whole enrolled, means you have been given the list of all the subjects like polity, governments and IR. Here 15 enrolled courses are there. So this is the whole syllabus. So you won't be missing anything through this app. The another thing, the test. Now see, I have the plus subscription still. What I have to do is I have to get the subscription and then I can give the test. So it's not a good option for me because I have already been a plus student. Still I have to give the money for it. Now second, browse. Then here are the updates. Any of the updates which you will get, you can get at the last here. Now I would like to share some of the negatives also, because there are plenty of courses. Like you can see here, see 302 courses for current affairs, 294 for geography, optional courses 351. There are immense courses. It is you who have to find which teacher suits you the best. So on the very next video I would help you, if you liked it, so I will help you to rather discuss that what teachers are good for me. I suggest that they are helpful for me, so I'll help you with that, because they are immense courses. So you have to be prepared that first you have to analyze which teacher suits you the best, then go for the courses. And the another disadvantage which I suppose is that optional. For optional courses there are not many teachers, and even it is difficult to have the test series. The another problem is that the test series, see, you know that in the prelims we have then objective, we have objective kind of questions, so we can easily do the questions. But when it comes to the writing section, they have classes. Essay writing is here. I would rather show you where it is. Essay writing, see, here you can see essay writing is there, but the thing is that the how you will share your answers to them, there is no proper procedure of it. Because what is in mains you have to do is that writing portion. You should have a great writing skills. Whatever you have learned, you should write it on the paper, and has to be checked. Until and unless it is checked by a good teacher or a mentor, you won't be able. Now they have introduced a mentor, but another time they have asked for money or subscription that you have to pay about, I guess, 8 to 10,000. I'll tell you. But the thing is that again you have to submit the money for that subscription. So for this is the negativity which I think uh, when it comes to Unacademy, like online classes especially. And for the CSET also, you get, see, you can see in ethics and integrity and aptitude, you get the courses, you can have a wide range of courses, but the only thing is that how you utilize this app. Because this app is really friendly, because you all know that this is the very tough time of COVID, and we have an immense pressure. Many of the students were not able to go outside for their institutes, and they were unable to access that. And at home you can utilize the time. घर बैठे आप पढ़ सकते हो, कहीं भी हो आप पढ़ सकते हो through online medium. And this is the best option, I suppose, in comparison with Byju's and other apps who are contributing for UPSC CSE and other exams, competitive exams. So I suppose that Unacademy for UPSC CSE is the best, and I have given you an overall view of what things are there in Unacademy. And I at last also I want to tell you one more thing, that if you don't want different subjects, different teachers, if you are not able to find out different questions, different people, different courses, you are unable. So go, you have the direct 1 year course, like full year GS patch courses you have. You can go directly to them and you can access all about it. You have to just enroll in this batch and you can go for all the classes. Okay, so here you can see the whole schedule, what is the schedule, and here you can get all the coverage of all the subjects of all the syllabus. And please, it depends on you, it doesn't depends on the Unacademy or anybody. Nobody can take your glance. You have to put your efforts, and you have to read the books for your own to crack this exam. The best app to learn from is the Unacademy, but who will qualify, it is on you. If you are able to give your 100% from it, if you can utilize this app for your best, so you can go for it. So this is the unacademy.com. Just go to unacademy.com, then join India's largest learning platform. Here you will see the range of exams, popular topics, UPSC CSE. Here there is a great range of exams like SSC and bank exams, railway exams, defense exams, JEE and NEET preparation, state PCS. So there are many of the exams. So here we are going to UPSC. We want UPSC. So plus, we will go to plus. Here down you can see home, my library, plus profile. So on first I'm going on plus. Then here you will get this page. Okay, you will get on to this page and see, to get subscription you have to put get subscription. Here you will get the total amount of money you have to give for 12 months. It is about 3,607 per month if you are going for EMI option. If you want to give, it is 44,000 rupees for 12 months. For 24 months it is 64,000 if you are going for 2 years plan. So it is a good option for you. Now if I am continuing it, here enter the referral code by using my code plus PLUSD 2MTK. You can use the subscription fee. It is deducted, that is by 10%. Again I'm telling you, you can apply. See, from 44,000 you get down to 39,600. So it's a good idea to take the referral code from my site, and it will help you to ace your preparation. And thanks a lot. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Please do subscribe, guys. I'm working very hard for you all so that you can achieve your goals. And if you have any queries, if you want to ask anything, you can please comment down below so that I can help you and ace your preparation. Okay, bye, thank you, and have a nice day.